Can cut the atmosphere here with a knife. The keeper was never going to get there. Can he keep his composure? Nice finish. Surely he'll put this one away. Solid strike there, never in doubt. He can cut the atmosphere here with a knife. Well taken penalty. Which way is he going to put it? Oh, good penalty. Will the pressure get to him? Oh, well taken penalty. So much pressure. Good gamble by the keeper there. He can cut the atmosphere here with a knife. Nice finish. This could be the last kick of the game. Oh, confidently taken and made no mistake putting it away. This penalty could decide the shootout. And there we have it. Fantastic performance from this side as they put themselves in place in the next stage of the competition. No doubt in my mind with that decision. This player has been outstanding and deserves being there.